What's going on, guys? Today is going to be a quick one. We're going to go over this cool little tool that I created in n8n that assigns and creates a unique ID for any sort of row that you need in Google Sheets. You guys excited? I'm excited. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's the workflow. It's pretty simple. We're using Google Sheets, a loop, and some code to go ahead and create our random number. This is a quick little run through. It's going to go through each row until we are done. And it's just a quick little example. What it's going to do is just like Airtable. It's going to pretty much create exactly the same records like Airtable. And then it's going to pump it in. It's going to go all the way through until all three of them are done, or how many you have are done, just like you just now saw on that record on the screen there. And then on the inside, it's kind of the works behind it. This is what it shows. It brings in and the input and the outputs here on the right. Those are the three records we created for the names. It's pretty simple. We're not trying to do anything too crazy or fancy here. We're just trying to make sure that we can make IDs and things like that for ourselves for each row if we're using Google Sheets, just as if we were going to be using Airtable. This helps us with many things down the line. Mainly updating the rows and sheets with n8n, whether someone calls in or a follow-up call is made and we have to update the record through our workflow. This allows us to pair up the record with the name and phone number originally to set up the ID, and then once we go through everything and we update as we go, we'll use the unique ID, and that way we'll never mess up on updating the wrong record or anything like that. It's super cool. This works with a quick little code. I can kind of throw it in there real fast for you to kind of give you a little heads up of what it looks like. It'll just kind of be in there in the video right after this. But just wanted to share this with you. It's a fun little tool I made. I did it for one of my clients. This way we can make sure that when we do update the records, when we do the VAPU voice calls for them in particular, the records update correctly with no error, no issues. That way all the data is accurate all the time. So that's the unique ID tool. It's pretty fun. It's pretty quick. It's pretty easy. You can implement this for any of your Google Sheets, or if you want, throw everything into Google or into Airtable, and it pretty much does that for you. Gives you that unique ID. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this thing could be useful for you guys in any sort of way. Let me know if you use it, how you can use it, and if you guys have any modifications or updates that might help me. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a good night.